Hi everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a very short video about how to make a liquid saffron. The request was so much, so I just want to show you how to make it. So there is the saffron, it comes in a different package, different shape, but the important part is that what is the quality of the saffron and the weight of it, which this one is just about a 1 mescal, which is a 4.6 grams on each, all the same size. So there's two ways you can make it. This is with the hand or with just a little grinder machine, which I have here. So I'm going to show you right now how to make it. So let us start doing it by taking this out of the package, and here go this saffron. It comes like this. I'm gonna open it. Let's use the knife. All right. Okay, here we go. So it's all about the how much saffron you want to do it. So this is, I put the whole thing. It's 4.6 grams of saffron. And for grinding it, you should help on this one. People usually put just a little small of cubic sugar, and going and do it like what I'm doing right here. So it takes about maybe a minute or so. So it seems good enough. If you want to look at closely, see how soft it became. And I do have a small container for my saffron, which I always use that. So I'm just going to put it in this little container. Okay, later on. Now I'm just put aside this one, and I show you how to do with this little grinder. The package is a little bit different, but the same amount of saffron in there. And I'm going to open this again with the help of little knife, and here is actual saffron. And as you see, the most of my saffron already has some in there, but I'm gonna add these, and grind it. All right, so here's go. 1, 2, 3. Here you go, less than 30 seconds. But if you want to be very, very fine, you just do it a couple more times. All right, is almost the same as this one. This one, if you look at it, it had a little bit of sugar, so the color is a little bit different, but the result is going to be the same when we put it in a water. So here go how to make it, the liquid one. So what I have here is a boiled water, and I'm going to put whatever I needed. So this is about like a quarter of a teaspoon, because this spoon is very small. So I'm gonna keep that. I'm using lots of saffron, so I don't mind if I make it double. And so what we need is a little bit of a cubic ice. So I'm gonna put like 2 in here, and right away I'm gonna add the boiling water. Not more than that, because it's going to be very light. So this is a good amount of water. I'm going to put something on the top of it and keep it for 10 minutes. Then our saffron is ready. And about, when you're making a food, it depends on how much you have to use. In Persian food, typically we use about like a 4 to 5 tablespoon of the liquid saffron in our foods, depends on what kind. So it's a little bit more or less, but this is the best way to make a good saffron. And the color gonna turn out, and also the aroma is gonna be nice on this one. As I said, I'm gonna just cover this for about 10 minutes and we're gonna use. So the rest of it is gonna go to my container, the little one. So for just not to spill anything, I usually put this one in a little bit foil and then put it in this little container. Let me bring a little bit aluminum foil. There we go. And we mix them together. Okay, and here's how you make that liquid saffron. So I'm gonna have after this another video which is gonna be on YouTube tomorrow. Okay, here is the saffron that I made. I put it in this container to put it in the fridge, and you can keep it up to 3 to 4 months. And also you can find the dry saffron in any Persian store, Mediterranean store, or you can order it online. All right? Bye.